Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity. In this tutorial, we'll explore a variety of time-saving Excel shortcuts. Let's begin with shortcuts on how to navigate the worksheet. To move one cell to the right, open your Excel worksheet and press the Tab key. The active cell will move one cell to the right. To move one cell to the left, open your Excel worksheet and press the Shift and Tab keys simultaneously. The active cell will move one cell to the left. Now let's move to a list of shortcuts you can use to quickly select data. To select the entire row, click on any cell in the row you want to select and press the Shift and Space keys simultaneously. The entire row will be selected. To select the entire column, click on any cell in the column you want to select and press the Control and Space keys simultaneously. The entire column will be selected. To select the entire worksheet, open your Excel worksheet and press the Control and A keys simultaneously. The entire worksheet will be selected. To select a range of cells, click on the first cell of the range you want to select and hold down the Shift key and use the arrow keys to extend the selection. The range of cells will be selected. To select non-adjacent cells, click on the first cell you want to select and hold down the Control key and click on each additional cell you want to select. Non-adjacent cells will be selected. Here are some general shortcuts. To open a workbook, open Excel and press the Control and O keys simultaneously. The Open dialog box will appear to open an existing workbook. To save a workbook, open or create an Excel workbook and press the Control and S keys simultaneously. The current workbook will be saved. To print a workbook, open or create an Excel workbook and press the Control and P keys simultaneously. The Print dialog box will appear. To close a workbook, open an Excel workbook and press the Control and W keys simultaneously. The current workbook will be closed. To open Excel Help, open Excel and press the F1 key. The Excel Help window will appear. To display the context menu, select a cell and press the Shift and F10 keys simultaneously. The context menu will be displayed. To insert a new worksheet, open an Excel workbook and press the Shift and F11 keys simultaneously. A new worksheet will be inserted into the workbook. Thank you for following this tutorial. Practice using these shortcuts regularly to become more efficient in Excel. We hope this tutorial helps you master date formulas in Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.